Hey, good morning, everybody. It's Monday. Today is, the date is August 24, 2020. This is Rick with Hit and Run Candlesticks. And let's look at the market for today and a few trade ideas that we'll be considering over the next couple weeks. First, let's take a look at the SPY, SPY. SPY's been trending up. You wake up in the morning and you see the SPYs or the diamonds are up, or Dow's up 200 points, SPY's up 25 points. It's crazy. The bulls are alive. They're just not dead. I know that I get a tremendous amount of emails and people utilizing to contact us on the Hit and Run Candlesticks website, asking, how much further can this market go? Should I be in shorts? What should I be doing? Well, remember, we're short-term traders, so we're looking for moves of 25, 30% maybe up, and we're taking profits as we move up. We're taking those base hits. So what we're watching for is the price action. And if you look at the price action here the last couple of days, Friday and Thursday, there is no signs that the sellers are on board at all. Now, every now and then they're able to put together a little showing here, like they did right here, and even like they did right here. We did get a little bit of a pullback here, but until we get follow through, until we get a break of the trend line, and right now I'm going to put a trend line right in here, and until that breaks to the downside, I'm going to remain bullish. Now, our job is not to catch the top. Our job is not to catch the top, but nor is our job to catch the bottom. And if everything's been working correctly, well, what's happening is you're making money, making money, making money, making money, making money, making money. So we're going to wait for that candlestick signal in there. We're going to wait for that price action to suggest the sellers are coming in. So if there's one day that the bottom just falls out, boom, we go down. Well, we get out of positions, we adjust, we'll buy shorts, we'll adjust again, we'll make it work. But the reality is, if you've been up so much, one little upset up here is not going to kill you. What kills you is trying to predict that this is the top. I know for a fact there were a few people that went in long some VXX. Well, they're going to get burned today. The point I'm trying to make is don't predict. Let the price tell you what's going on. And right now, the price is not saying anything that suggests the sellers are coming in. And this morning, it actually suggests more buyers are coming in. Now, with that said, we still have to get through the close today. So it is very possible, not saying it's going to happen, but possible that after the gap up today, we just start coming back. And it's possible from that point, we just start moving down. And it's also possible that we just continue to climb up. And the price action that we see at going into the close Friday, suggests the buyers are there. So we'll remain with the buyers, like I said, unless we see some big sell-off, and then we will adjust intraday if we have to. Our scanner brings up short trades, it brings up long trades. You just have to be there for them. But I'll keep everybody posted on what we find out and what we learn and what we hear on the price action. In the meantime, let's move forward. Okay, so let's look at VXX real quick. VXX, still in a downtrend down here. I do want to jump onto a weekly chart. Take a look at the weekly chart. I've drawn this green band right in here. The fact that it's green means nothing. But around the 21, 22 area, I do see the possibility of VXX finding a little bit of support. So the closer we get, the little more concerned I'm going to get, the little more I'm going to back off the market. A little bit more, I'm going to be a little quicker on taking profits. Doesn't mean I'm going to be all bearish and all. It just means I'm going to be watching this and keeping an eye on that price action as we get down there. All right, let's take a look at a few trade ideas. And toward the end of the video, I will also share a trade that I made Friday with you. All right, let's take a look at Costco. Costco is still working out. Fantastic. Costco's just been a killer here, moving up. We tested Friday. We're up here testing these, what is this? February, 6, 7 highs up here with a nice bullish candle. Good volume. Thursday was a little bit of a doji here. I see no reason why we can't get to, that 350 area and then maybe up here to 367. Just watch the price action, trade your trades, watch your chart patterns. If you need any help with that or guidance, let us know right here at Hit Run Candlesticks. Let's take a look at the next one. How about some QCOM? QCOM gapped up, pulled back, popped up. So here we have a low, high, higher low, higher high. We come back for a higher low. We're sitting on a pretty good trend line. We've got a beautiful morning star candlestick sitting in here. Right now I'm thinking anything above about that 112.40, I'm looking as bullish. Watch the 115 area, 115.80 area up here. As long as the bulls can kick through this and prove they can hold it, we're looking for 123, 129 and a half, maybe even 130 up here for short-term profit zones. Nike. By the way, several on our list today have been on our list the past 2 weeks. We don't bang around looking for hundreds and hundreds of chart setups. Stay with what's working. Create a watch list. This is what we do. We create a watch list, and then we manage that watch list. And really today, I'm pulling off that watch list outside of just a few that I've added new. Okay, Nike, you might remember that from the past week or so. Here we've rallied up. Beautiful little consolidation, rising lows. We broke out. We've proved that the buyers can hold above 107 here. Proved that the sellers have no grit to them. Looks to me like 113, 116, 117 up here is a possible profit zone. All righty, let's take a look at Yum. Hey, I want to apologize. I'm just getting over a head cold and my voice really starts to crack up here. So I'm actually stopping the video every now and then and taking a drink of some water and coffee to try to wet my throat and keep it so I can talk here. So bear with me, please. Yum has been in a nice trend. Low, high, higher low, high, low, higher low. I mean, the process is all the same. Here we've put in a bullish engulf and we have follow through. The follow through suggests that bulls are still there and the bulls are still interested in this stock going higher. Now, ultimately at $96, I don't think there's any reason why we can't get to the $100 mark up here. First, we need to get through 98.20, which is simply this June 5th high over here. We get through that, watch for that $100 mark, and then we'll go over this chart again if it has any upside potential. AMD. Take a look at AMD. That's been on the list. We've mentioned it a couple times. AMD has been in a nice rally up. We've pulled back, popped up, found a little bit of resistance, a few sellers. We've pulled back, found support. Buyers, look at that big old bullish engulf. Buyers stepped in. Not only did the buyers step in, but we had a little follow-through buying going in. And that's what we're looking for. Now, we've got a little resistance right here. All we need to see is a little buying over that resistance, and then I'll be looking for an entry on this. $100, I still think this is a $100 chart and then some, but let's just see if we can get it to 100, trade from here to there, and then we'll reevaluate this chart. JCI is looking pretty good here. JCI, beautiful trend up here. Let's put that line on there. Nice little trend up. Shooting star suggested that sellers were going to take some money off the table, and that's just what they did. They pulled us back. Well, price found support. Buyers said that's what they're looking for. Pushed the sellers out, and now it looks like the buyers are coming back up. Watch for 43.70 and then about 45.25 up there. How about MAS? Masco. Masco's been trending up. We started to get a little consolidation going here, a little weakness, a little rest, and that's just what's happened here. I think we've got a little rest coming in. Well, Friday, the buyers started to step up. So what we need to see now is just some simple follow through. I'm actually going to move this up. That doji's low right in there. So we start to see a little follow through here. Watch for that 62, 90, maybe even 63 area for a price target. Remember, if you need any help with these charts, just let us know here at Hit and Run Candlesticks. Okay, let's take a look at GLW. Now, GLW, this is one I entered Friday, very near the close. And here we've broken out. We have a high. We pulled back. Buyers put enough together to break us out. You can see we have proof that we stayed over the breakout. And now we rallied up. And now sellers start taking a little money. Now remember, we've got to come back. I mean, ideally, this is what happens. Price breaks out, proves that it can hold the T-line, runs higher, and then it's got to come back and prove everything again. It just has to prove every run is what it does. And that's what all charts end up doing. Well, Thursday, we gapped down, little doji down here. And then Friday, we popped up, little gap up from Thursday's close, and we closed up pretty well on some pretty good volume here. Watch in the next couple of weeks. Watch this to see if it can't reach up here about 34 and then possibly 35.60. Again, if you need any help, please let us know over here to Hit and Run Candlesticks. We do have a trial. You can check out the link below. It's only $49 for 60 days. Come ask us some questions. Learn about what we do. You guys all take care. We'll see you in the trading room. Happy trading.